You lay your head into my lap. I strike your face. The taxi rushes through the night. I'm endlessly far away. Blue soldier moment. Oh sweet grown-up woman. We're hovering, gliding in the opposite of home. It is tickly white, like heroin, thick, and it carries death in itself. Don't worry, I will not try to sleep with you, I say. Staggering through your Kafkaesque dungeon. 1,000 rooms. Losing myself there in your multiplicity and being blissful. Time is stretching tightly like plasticine. It is dark around me. I finally find your bed. Am I torturing you, darling, you ask? We pass away. I'm holding your black curly head in my arms. Where are you now? I'm lying here in your arms, in the glass lights of your brothel.